Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by diagnosing. Open viewport overlays and enable face orientation so you can see normals immediately. Next, go to the material properties and set blend mode to alpha hashed or alpha blend depending on your texture. This reveals transparency behavior. Then enable backface culling to check for inadvertent double-sided geometry. Once done, fix flipped normals with Alt+N recalculate outside or manually flip faces. This prevents invisible or ghosted surfaces and prepares the mesh for the next steps. Now focus on the middle work. Enter edit mode and use merge by distance to eliminate duplicate vertices that create Z-fiding and holes. Then inspect your UV map in the UV editor for overlapping islands or inverted scales. Correct them to avoid alpha artifacts. In Shader Editor, ensure the image texture uses straight or premultiplied alpha correctly and plug its alpha into the principled BSDF alpha slot. Animate or adjust blend settings as needed. These steps align geometry and shader behavior so transparency renders predictably. Finish by aligning render settings. In Eevee, enable alpha blend or alpha hashed and turn on soft shadows if required, then in material properties confirm the same blend mode. If shadows look wrong, disable shadow casting on that material or add a shadow mode of none to prevent black silhouettes. Make sure normal directions remain consistent. If you still see invisible sections, duplicate faces for single-sided meshes or enable backface culling. If problems persist, recheck UV alpha channels and swap between straight versus premultiply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.